First, you need to download Capcut for free, and I will put the link in the description. Capcut is a free AI-powered video editor that has a lot of features you can use for free. Just click on the download button to download the installer, then install the software onto your computer. And if you are using smartphone, you can also download from your App Store and follow the steps. So let's get into the video. So create a new project in Capcut. Then go to text and add a default text to the timeline. Extend the duration of your text a bit. Now copy the script you want to convert into speech, then paste it in the text area. Go to text to speech on the editing panel. So Capcut have a lot of voices you can use for free. Select the voice you want to use. And as you can see, Capcut gives you a pop-up that the text you want to convert is longer than 500 characters. But don't worry, I am going to show you 2 ways you can still convert your long text into speech, so let me undo everything. Now, after adding a default text to the timeline, press B on the keyboard to select the quick split tool, or just follow the tutorial and we'll show you how you can find it. Then split your text into many parts. Now just copy your text paragraph by paragraph and paste them in the text you splitted. Then go to text to speech, then select the voice you want to use, then click on generate. But wait, most of the time you still get more than 500 characters, so I am going to show you how to do it with AI. When you are done converting your text to speech, arrange them according to how the text was arranged.
He said that once you achieve success in one significant endeavor, your subconscious mind will accept that success and store it as a pattern, like a template.
So in Capcut you can also export only the audio in your project. So click on Export, scroll down and find Audio, then click on Audio, and make sure you unchecked Video, else both the audio and video will be exported. You can also choose the audio format you want and export it. So now let me show you how to use AI to split your scripts. So go to ChatGPT, then tell ChatGPT to write your script for 100 characters per paragraph, then go and copy your script and paste it. And let ChatGPT to do the rest of the job. So now just follow the steps I showed you earlier on to generate your speech. You can also edit your audio and remove all the silence, and when you are done just export it as MP3. With this tutorial you can generate text to speech at any time, anywhere, and even longer scripts for free without restrictions. See you in the next video.